Hi guys, good morning, nice to see you guys. Hope you're staying safe. Okay, then take out your Reading Sense book, Reading Sense 3, okay? Okay, then let's quickly turn to page 15 and let's review our reading, okay? And then we'll go on to our new reading, okay guys? So here we go. Listen first and repeat, listen first, okay? Follow with your fingers and then read together and then I'll ask some questions. So here we go. Deaf people's ears don't work well. They can't hear sounds like others. Some deaf people can talk with no problems, but some deaf people can't speak well. They use sign language. They make signs with their hands. The signs stand for words and letters. Sign language is useful for deaf people, but many people don't know how to sign language. This can make communication hard, but computers can help. Deaf people can write messages to anyone who doesn't know sign language. Well done. Okay then guys, let's read this together as a class. So, deaf people's ears don't work well. 1, 2, 3. Deaf people's ears don't work well. They can't hear sounds like others. Some deaf people can talk with no problems. But other deaf people can't speak well. They use sign language. They make signs with their hands. The signs stand for words and letters. Sign language is useful for deaf people, but many people don't know how to use sign language. This can make communication hard, but computers can help. Deaf people can write messages to anyone who doesn't know sign language. Okay guys, what don't work well on deaf people? What part of the body don't work well on deaf people? Well done. Their ears. Well done. They can't hear what like others? This is for the girls. They can't hear what like others? Sounds. Well done. Boys, some deaf people can do what? No problem. Some deaf people can do what? No problem. Well done. They can talk. No problems. But some deaf people can't do what very well? Girls. Well done. They can't speak very well. So boys, what do they use? What do they use to help them? They use sign language. Well done. They use sign language. Girls, they make signs with what part of their bodies? They make signs with what part of their bodies? Well done, girls. They make signs with their hands. Excuse me, I was a bit thirsty there. And boys, what do these signs stand for? What do these signs stand for? They stand for words or letters. Well done. They stand for the words or letters. Many people don't know what, girls? Many people don't know, well done, sign language. This can make communication what, boys? This can make the communication hard, yes. But what can help, girls? What can help? Computers. Well done, computers. What can deaf people do on computers, boys? They can write messages to anyone who doesn't know sign language. Well done. Good job. Excellent work. Okay, let's read this one more together. Okay, and then we'll go on to our next reading. Here we go. Deaf people's ears don't work well. They can't hear sounds like others. But some deaf people can talk with no problems. But some deaf people can't speak well. They use sign language. They make signs with their hands. The signs stand for words or letters. Sign language is useful for deaf people, but many people don't know sign language. This can make communication hard, but computers can help. Deaf people can write messages to anyone who doesn't know sign language. Very good. Okay then guys. Right then, let's turn to page 18. Okay, we're going to do Unit 3. Okay, Unit 3. Okay, so let's go over our key vocabulary that we're going to see in our unit. Culture. Culture. Okay, culture is like the music, the what people wear, what they eat. Okay, that's culture. Middle. If you have 3, okay, let me see here. 1, 2, 3. Which one is in the middle? There you go. The highlighter is in the middle. Middle. Flag. Okay, a flag. Most countries have flags to represent their countries. Okay, so it's their national flag. You put it on a flagpole and it waves in the air. Okay. History. History is the past. Okay, so the history of your country, what has happened in the past. Okay. These. When we look at something that is close up, and there are many of them, these. If they are far away, we'll say those. Okay, these, those. And a line. Line. Okay, a line. Okay, so let's go over our vocabulary one more time. Culture. Middle. Flag. History. These. Line. Okay, now every country has a flag. Flags have colors and images to represent the country. Some flags have animals on them, others have different shapes or symbols on them. So what do we have on the flag of Taiwan? What can we see the shape? So we can see a circle. Okay, so there's a circle, and then there's like triangles. So the circle looks like a sun with the sun's rays coming out, and this is white, and the background is blue. And then you have a big red part of the flag. Okay, so Taiwan's flag, you have a square in the corner. There's the circle with like triangles around it that represents like a sun, and that is white. And then behind that white is the blue color, and then you've got a big red flag, a big area of red. So we've got circle, triangles, we've got blue, red, and white. Okay, that's our flag of Taiwan. Okay, right then, kids. So let's turn to page 19. Turn to page 19, okay? And listen to Teacher Paul read about the reading, okay? Follow with your fingers. Later we'll get you guys to read, and then I'll ask some questions. Okay then, kids, here we go. Each country's flag is different. The flags have different meanings. Some show the country's history. Others show the country's culture. The flag of South Korea has 3 parts. The white part stands for peace. There is a red and blue circle in the middle. This is a taegati, a taege. It means balance. There are black lines in each corner. These have different meanings. They mean the sky, sun, moon, and earth. These things are all important to Koreans. These things are all important to Koreans. Okay then, guys, well done. So let's read this together. Here we go, kids. 1, 2, 3. Each country's flag is different. The flags have different meanings. Some show the country's history. Others show the country's culture. The flag of South Korea has 3 parts. The white part stands for peace. There is a red and blue circle in the middle. This is a taege. It means balance. There are black lines in each corner. These have different meanings. They mean the sky, the sun, moon, and earth. These things are all important to Koreans. These things are all important to Koreans. Okay then. Each country is different. Each country's what is different. Each country's, this is for the girls, each country's flag, well done. Boys, each flag has a different what? Each flag has a different meaning. Well done. Girls, some show the country's what? The past. What's the country's past? It's called what? Some show the country's history. Well done. History. Boys, others show the country's what? The way they dress, the traditions, the food, culture. Well done. Culture. How many parts does the flag of Korea have? Girls, how many parts do the flag of Korea have? Well done. 3 parts. So, boys, what does the white part stand for? Boys, what does the white part stand for? It stands for peace. Well done. And what color circle is in the middle of the Korean flag? Girls, a red and blue circle in the middle. And what is this called, boys? This is a what? Teg. And that means what, boys? Balance. Well done, balance. There are what in each corner, girls? There are what in each corner of the flag, girls? There are black lines. And these differences are different. These mean different things. So boys, can you give me 2 meanings for these black lines? So give me 2 meanings. Sky and sun. Well done. And what are the other 2 meanings, girls? What are the other 2 meanings? Moon and earth. Well done. And girls, boys, these things are all what to Koreans? They are what? All important. Well done, guys. They're all important. Okay then, guys. I'm going to ask you guys to read. So girls, I'm going to get you to start first. Okay? And then when I say boys, you start reading. So girls, each country's flag is different. 1, 2, 3, go. Each country's flag is different. The flags have different meanings. Some show the country's history. Others show the country's culture. The flag of South Korea has 3 parts. The white part stands for peace. There is a red and blue circle in the middle. This is a taegyeol. It means balance. Boys, there are black lines in each corner. These have different meanings. They mean the sky, sun, moon, and earth. These things are all important to Koreans. Well done, guys. Okay then. So, vocabulary skills. Take a look at the green box at the bottom of the page 19. So let's unscramble the word. Let's unscramble the word. So number 1. Boys, what word is that? So number 1, take a look at the picture. You have a clue in the picture. Country. Well done. Country. Number 2. What's this one, girls? Balance. So everybody say these 2 words. Country. Balance. So take out your pencils. Okay. Take out your pencils and look for the word country, countries, and balance in the reading. When you find those words, circle them or underline them. Okay. So country, balance. Okay, well done, guys. So let's take a look at our reading skill. Reading skill. Okay. Choose the right answer. So you've got 2 answers, A and B. So the first one, first question, this is for the boys. What does the white part of South Korean flag mean? Does it mean A, balance, or B, peace? A, balance, or B, peace? Which one is it, boys? Well done. Everyone circle B, peace. Girls, this is your question. Who believes the black lines on the South Korean flag are important? So who believes the black lines on the South Korean flag are important? So girls, A, everyone, or B, Koreans? What do you think, girls? A or B? Good job. Everybody circle B, Koreans. So the black lines, they mean the sun, the moon, the sky, and earth. Right, let's continue. Turn to the next page. So let's look at our reading comprehension. So choose the right answer. So number 1 is the main idea. This one is for the boys. So number 1, what is the reading mainly about? What is the reading mainly about? A, different flags. B, Korean people. Or C, the Korean flag. Which one is it? Well done, boys. It's C. Everybody circle C. Girls, the Korean flag has a red and blue circle in the A, part, B, middle, or C, corner. So where does the Korean flag has a red and blue circle? Whereabouts is this flag, this circle? A, part of the flag, the middle of the flag, or the corner of the flag? So which one is it, girls? A, B, or C? Shout out your answer. Well done. B. So circle B and write middle on the line. Okay, middle. Number 3. This is for the boys. The word culture means. Okay, and you can find this answer on line 3 of the reading. Okay, line 3. So the answers are A, the word culture means A, a language, B, a shared way of being, or C, a way of dressing. A, a language, B, a shared way of being, or a way of dressing. Which one is it, boys? A, B, or C? Excellent. B, a shared way of being. The life, the culture, the history. All done. Right then, so let's read. I'll say the questions, you give me the answers straight away. So everybody, number 1, what is the reading mainly about? C, the Korean flag. Number 2, the Korean flag has a red and blue circle in the middle. Well done. The word culture means B, a shared way of being. Okay, well done. A shared way of being. Okay then, guys, let's take a look at our reading skills. Okay, main idea and details. So we need to complete this chart. One of the words is extra, so let's go over the words in the grey box. So repeat after me. Lines, balance, parts, middle. So the main idea. So this one is for the girls. The flag of South Korea has 3 what? Lines, balance, parts, or middle. Which one is it, girls? Well done. So draw right in the line, the blank line, parts. They have 3 parts. So detail 1, the white part stands for peace. Detailed 2, there is a red and blue circle in the middle. It means what? Boys, it means what? This is a what? There is a red and blue circle in the middle. It means balance. Balance. Yin and yang. Balance. Okay, so balance. So number, it means balance. There are 3, this is for the girls, there are 3 blank in each corner. These have different meanings. There are black blank in each corner. These have different meanings. What is that, girls? There are 3 lines. Well done. So here we go. Let's complete the chart. So let's read together with the words completed. The flag of South Korea has 3 parts. The white part stands for peace. There is a red and blue circle in the middle. It means balance. There are black lines in each corner. These have different meanings. Well done. These have different meanings. Okay, then let's continue with our vocabulary review. Okay, so circle the correct word, kids. So number 1, take a look at this. This is for the boys. Each country's blank part's flag is different. So each country, each part flag is different. Which one is it, boys? Which one is it, boys? It is different. Well done. Different. Okay, then number 2. Some show the country's girls' history. Well done. And number 3. Others show the country's, what is it, girls? Culture. So number 1, each country's flag is different. Number 2, some show the country's history. Number 3, others show the country's culture. Well done, guys. Excellent. So we'll leave it there. Okay. Take it easy. Have a wonderful weekend. Okay. And I'll see you soon. Goodbye.